Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to copy comments on Instagram. Firstly, get up into your interest to make sure that you have copied a comment, and for example I will go with, let's see if there is any comment. Yeah, for example this comment, how do I copy? I just need to tap and hold on it, and as you can see on my right side I have that button, but there is no directly option for getting copy this comment. Now what I need to do, I need simply to get off from here, take a look on that post or get the link for it. As you can see, the link has been copied. Now I need to go on my browser, I need to add the link right over here, and when it comes to this section here, as you can see now, if I go on my right side and if I type on the comment section, and when I'm gonna find out that comment, I can just simply tap and hold on it. But I will first get off from this desktop site because it's much more easier. I will go for view one comment, and now if I tap and hold on it, as you can see, also doesn't give me the chance. Now go back to the three dots, go to the desktop site, and now just take a look on that comment, and then just go for it. And when you get up, you just need to tap and hold on it, and here as you can see, now everything you can select and you can copy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.